Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process how to fix Asus VivoBook screen not turning on. Okay, so guys, you can try these steps to turn on your Asus VivoBook. Okay, first of all, hold the power button for 30 to 40 seconds while charging. You can plug your charger and hold the power button for 30 to 40 seconds. Okay, if and then took off the charging and wait about 30 minutes, then try to turn it on once and try holding the button again. Okay, you can try this step also. If this not work, you can try this. Took off the battery pack at the bottom, held the power button for 30 seconds, place the battery pack back and try turning it again. Okay, this thing can also be solve the issue. Okay, if this is still not working, you can try this also. Took off the battery pack at the bottom, then and held the power button for 30 seconds. Plug the laptop to charger without the battery pack and turning it on. Okay, you can try this also. And clean the dust in charging hole and battery pack area. Basically clean the laptop. Okay, you can try this step as well.